Now let's talk about the first pillar of observability, which is logging. So everything that goes to standard output from our Lambda functions ends up in CloudWatch logs, which is a centralized login storage from AWS. Now, in this course, just for simplicity, we were using console log statement, but in production applications, it is better to use a proper login library. And also a good idea would be to write log messages using a strict format. And the reason for this is that when you want to process your logs or you want to search something in logs, you can rely on the strict format to perform queries like find all log statements generated by a particular class. Now, in addition to using logs coming from your Lambda functions, you can also enable logging in API Gateway, and this will allow you to log information about incoming requests, providing you with more data to debug your applications. Now, in this course, we were using CloudWatch Logs, which is a centralized login solution from AWS, and it definitely worked for an application like the one that we've implemented. But it may not be sufficient for complex use cases. So another project that we can use is Elasticsearch, the same service that we've used for implementing full-text search. And as it stands now, Elasticsearch is considered to be a go-to solution for login storage. And it is available from AWS. We saw it in lesson 4, and it's also available from other providers. But the question is, how can we write our logs to Elasticsearch? Well, when a Lambda function produces log statements, it writes them to standard out. And then those logs are shipped to a log group in CloudWatch Logs. What CloudWatch allows us to do is to implement another function that can process every single statement written to a log group. And then this function can process those log statements, transform them in any way it needs to, and ship them to Elasticsearch. And then we can use tools like Kibana to send requests to Elasticsearch to search through our log data.